All right, guys, we're over here with the Hiboy S2. Okay, let me see if this goofy GPS machine is going to work today. Who knows, right? Who knows with that thing? Also, I've ridden some of these scooters with the hard tires, and I'll be honest with you that the ride doesn't bother me that much. It's not so, you know, it's not so bad that you can't stand it or anything like that, you know. So I really don't mind the hard tires because I've got the Y-Wheel Pro. I've been riding that. And, you know, this thing, yeah, it's just bumpier, that's all. But heck, you can go anywhere you want. You know, that's the great point about it. You know, you can go anywhere. So we are trucking along here. I'm just thinking about going down to the marina, and that's about it. Okay, so the cruise control kicked on. And I stopped it. It's real cool today. The heat wave is over for the time being. So that heat wave dissipated a little bit. I wonder what that place. Oh, that must be some trucking intermodal thing, because there's actually a guy there, so must be something going on there. There's somebody at the guard station. There's the bar, but it's too early. Give me a cold one. Here's that old factory. That dog's coming up, you know, that barking dog is over here. He's always around. Let me see what's happening over here. No, oh, I see a bunch of cars over there. Is there something over here that's actually open? Look at that. Is this place still in business? Let's go check it out. The dog must be sleeping, because he'd have been already on us. I'm ducking away from the overgrown branches there. Yeah. So, wow, all those cars there? Something must be going on over there. I don't even know how they got in there. it got really cold. Wow. Yep, there's somebody working over there. Wow. Something dead there in the road. I'll have to stop on the way back to take a look. I have no idea what it was. Slowing down here for a minute. I'm hitting some mud sand or something. Now I think this is a water treatment center here, so this is open. This trail is awfully bumpy, I'll tell you that. Here, there's a portage on right in the middle of the trail. That's pretty wild. Yeah, we'll take a cruise down to the marina and see what's going on down there. It might not be much happening today. It's pretty cold. Uh-oh, there's a train. Gas company. There's a housing project here. Okay, so we're heading down to the marina. Remember this notorious bump right here, so we're going over it easy. Squirrels, birds. It's like a nature preserve. See, it made it 2.19 miles. That's all that is down to here. 2 miles. God, thought it was further than that. Okay, so let's see what's happening at the marina. Looks busy. Looks busy from here, let's put it that way. It's really windy today. Ooh. guess people sit over here and who knows, do what. God only knows. I think I'll just sit here, maybe fly the Mini for a couple of minutes. Okay, we're going to continue the trip. Yeah, that wind is really hitting, man. That thing, that's really kicking. Wow. Yeah, it's not safe to fly in that kind of wind. Not with the Mini. If I had the Evo 2, that would be different. McKeesport Hostel. Okay. You know, there's still all these branches and crap on the road from that big windstorm we had like a month and a half or 2 months ago. All of this debris is still laying around. Oh, they're doing some work on that bridge. I didn't even notice that from flying the drone. So you can go to the end of the trail on this side, or you can pick up the other trail that we went to before by going this way. And this will take you over to the other side where where that old factory was on the other side. So I didn't even know you could come over this way and pick that up. I mean, I'm not going to go over there today, but you can, that other trail. I think it goes down that way, and then it swings around over here, and then it picks up, and then that's the one that goes out to Kennywood Park. So I'm not going over there today, but I'll finish out going out to the end of this one right here. which is coming through here like this. And then it'll dead end over here. So here's the end of the trail, right here. All right, yay, we made the end of the trail.